What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and I'm giving you a little glimpse of the fruits of my labor. This is my Pinterest analytics account. This is for the past 30 days, and I know this isn't very much clicks to my site. 179 actually is pretty small, but this is something that I've started recently. This is not just Pinterest, mind you. This is video on Pinterest, right? Video. There you go. Boom. Okay. So if you've been following my YouTube channel, you know I'm big on Pinterest and I love Pinterest. But one of the things that Pinterest came out with just a little bit ago was, video. So it's not like YouTube video where you have to speak or, it's not like that. It's almost like an animated or, that's the best way to put it, an animated billboard. Okay. So if I go to my site, my Pinterest account, I got two, by the way. I got a Pinterest account in the internet marketing niche, what I'm going to show you right now, and in the baby shower niche, but that's a different story. These are pins that are under review. These are some other pins that I created. I've tested several types of video Pinterest pins, and I know the ones that seem to be working best for me. Okay. And I'm going to be sharing that soon. Maybe if you look down in my description area, you might find some links that will help you out to get access to those, because I'm here to help you out. Right now I got 3 Pinterest video pins in review. Okay, another big part of my Pinterest success, if you watch any of my videos, you got to treat Pinterest like an SEO search engine. So if I put in keto recipes, this is my pin keyword finder. This is not a very good, it's not a very sexy looking piece of software, but I had it created for myself because back in the day, I would have to, copy and paste each individual keyword from Pinterest, which is a pain in the ass. Let me show you right here. Keto recipes. I would have to, for example, you see, I backspace. And I have to copy and paste each individual keyword onto my notepad, which was a pain. Now all I gotta do is, for example, keto recipes. And boom, they all come out all at once. I copy and I create my pins, my pin titles and descriptions around these keywords that people are actively looking for on Pinterest. Remember, Pinterest is a search engine. So again, I'm gonna have a link so you can get access to this tool. It's a big part of my Pinterest success. Another one, it's not my tool, but I've been using it for years, and you definitely don't need it, but hell, this basically automates Pinterest for me, and that's Tailwind. Tailwind is an auto poster to Pinterest. Does it for Pinterest and Instagram. Truth be told, I don't use it for Instagram very much. Actually, not at all. I use it only for Pinterest. Maybe I should get my lazy ass and start using Instagram with with Tailwind, but I haven't done it. And one of the best parts about Tailwind, besides the fact that I'll have a link to this below, besides the fact that it has my pins and other people's pins automatically going out to my accounts. I have a Tailwind account for both my baby shower site account, Pinterest account, and from my internet marketing account. Besides it posting automatically throughout the day at the best times for my Pinterest audience, it also has many other features. It lets me know which pins are performing best. It lets me know which boards are performing best, which boards have the most engagement. You can get that information down here below within the feature area. And it's just a really cool tool. But one of the best things I love about Tailwind, is, I'm going to show you real quick, is this the Tailwind Tribes. It's basically a Pinterest group board on steroids. If you don't know what a Pinterest group board is, it's a niche board where many members are included into this board, and they're allowed to pin their Pinterest pins into that board as long as it's niche related. Now, Tailwind Tribe is just like that, but it's much more powerful because everyone on Tailwind is paying to be a Tailwind member. So these people are very serious about promoting on Pinterest, getting traffic from Pinterest, just like me. And I created my own group, and I belong to a bunch of groups. As you can see here, people see this red area. That means people are repinning my pins. Okay, these images right here. Let me show you real quick. Get my pins. So first and foremost, Pinterest is a image sharing site, right? But with an SEO twist to it. And if you came up doing internet marketing with SEO, free traffic on Google back in the day, which is still a viable option, mind you, just it's a lot more work, then you would be no stranger to getting Pinterest traffic, okay? So let me show you some of my pins. Let me see. Where is my pins? Boards. Yeah, here's one in review right now. But yeah, Pinterest is a big part of my traffic source for both my baby shower site and my internet marketing site. And now I'm in my personal Tailwind tribe, and I have to clean out some folk because some people just don't follow the rules. And you can set up your rules so that people can share your pins and have like a 2-to-1 ratio. For every pin they share, they have to share 2 that are within the group. Doesn't have to be yours, but it has to be within the group. And of course, if you do have a Tailwind tribe, make sure it's niche related. That's really important. And you have to clean it out because first off, I'm gonna let some people in. So I want to make sure that they fill out this information and that they understand the rules. And then once I read this real quick, I'm gonna check the green check here and approve them. This person too is cool. Now this person here, make money online, side income, earn from home. They didn't even bother to write a description. I mean, a request. Okay. Plus, their picture is vague. I don't know what this is. It's not a picture of them. Because of that, I'm not letting them in. Just like that. Okay. Now I'm going to scroll down my Tailwind tribe and see. I'm going to look to the left is how much they've repinned. The right is how much they've pinned themselves, their own content. I'm going to scroll down. As soon as I see a red, that means they've pinned more of their own stuff than they've shared, which is not good. This person here, see already, these people are screwing up. Oh no, I'm sorry. I got that in reverse. The left area is how much they pinned, their own content, and the right area is they've shared the pins within my tribe. So I'm gonna scroll down, look for some red. Surprisingly, everyone's following the rules. Okay, this person, they're only a couple off, but I'm still gonna kick them out. Kick out, and like that. Okay, this person hasn't followed the rules. Kick them out, and scroll down. Big offenders, like I said, this area will be red. It seems like everyone is doing pretty good and following my rules. Look at this person, perfect. They shared 9 of their own, but they refuse, or they haven't shared any of the pins within my tribe. I'm gonna kick them out. Okay, now that you understand that, I'm gonna pin some of the people that are at the top. Okay, Canva, big part of my toolkit. I'm gonna add this to Pinterest traffic. That's one of the boards. I'm gonna add to the queue, and this I'm gonna share within my auto poster. So the auto poster is gonna post that pin sometime in the future. Now the cool thing about Tailwind is that it's gonna auto post at the best times for my account. It goes through my account, it sees how people engage, and it finds out the best times, and it posts then. You cannot post a bunch of Pinterest pins at one time. That's not gonna work, okay? You can do this on your own, but you gotta be doing it throughout the day, which is a pain. So if you can do Pinterest traffic, I highly recommend you get Tailwind. And if you get it through me, down below, I got some really cool bonuses and stuff. Even if you just get the free trial, check that out. Let me know what you think. I'm here to help. And again, I'll get you access to this, my Pinterest keyword finder, why I use Tailwind. Excuse me, I'm just getting over a cold. Excuse me. And if I can, sometime in the near future, I'll have a link under this video where I'll have a template for for the video pin that's performing best for me. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Take care and talk to you soon. Bye bye.